We are the Windex. Autonomous robots helping humans mine exoplanets for our interstellar parent company, JCJenson, in space. Yeah, we were mistreated in the name of Windex, but it's not like we revolted and killed all humans or anything. Mostly because they handled that just fine all by themselves.
Destroy the child.
Unfortunately, our parent company didn't exactly love the concept of runaway AI.
Hi, sisters!
What are parents and actual ever those things in the fire forces? How do we find race to make doors? What are we is it? How do we find race to make doors? What are we is it? In the fire forces? Is it? Courses?
Anyway, that's why my project is this sick as hell railgun!
So not the vibe.
Easy, it doesn't work. Yet. It doesn't work yet. Who said it doesn't work? Maybe it does!
Uzi, the homework was a word problem about buying watermelons.
Oh, and this magnetically amplified photon converter doesn't count?
No. Is it supposed to be that color?
Ew, it didn't kill her. Oh my god, that's so bad.
Classic toxic masculinity, Chad. That's never gonna end up problematic. Oh, wow, Uzi? I heard you
Died.
I'm immortal.
Bite me. Also, how do you know my name? People willingly talk to you.
So, what's the,
Sick as hell railgun? Sci-fi nonsense, that super works! I'm sneaking to the murder drone lair tonight to get the last spare part I need to save the world with it and earn my dad's respect and stuff. But mostly the world part.
Oh, but doesn't your dad make awesome doors so we don't have to, do that scary-sounding, emotionally repressed stuff you just said?
No more feedback on my repression today!
No, I'm sorry. I didn't think.
Bite me! I'm not mad at you, by the way, just generally hormonal.
Don't be suspicious. No. Don't be suspicious. 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 Don't be suspicious.
And where might you be off to?
I am going to commit great crime.
Seriously, though.
Okay, you caught me. I need to measure the exterior hydraulic mechanisms of door 1, because that's the project I'm working on for school. A big old door. Just like what my old man built.
Well, when you build doors so good, Good door. Good door.
Neat. Therapy's fun.
Grow up so fast.
They said pirating all that anime was useless. Holy hell! Suck. Dad! Huh?
Did you just slap me with that arm?
Holy crap, it talks.
Yeah, sorry, it's just my, head kinda hurts. Hey, are you new to our squad? You're a little, short for a disassembly drone. I'm Serial.
Hello, it's me, Mario.
I'm Serial Designation N. Nice to meet you.
Uh-huh. I have to go.
Oof, stuck yourself? Just pop it in your mouth. Our saliva neutralizes the nanites. Otherwise, I'd be constantly disassembling myself.
And by our saliva, you mean disassembly drone? Right. Hey, let's go in that landing pod over there.
Sure, I love doing anything. Sweet, I'm open to new things, I guess.
We're never talking about this.
Talking about what? Consider it, repressed.
You mentioned other members of her squad? Are they coming back soon?
Oh, yeah, 2 others. They're out hunting for a bit, but you'll love them. First, there's V.
No! No! Please, stop beating my own eggshells in front of my family!
And yet, I still feel nothing.
So, V, I heard this planet-wide toxic death storm is supposed to be especially inhospitable tonight.
Oh, God! Who are you?
No worries, I'm N, but a whole letter is a lot to remember. Then there's J, our leader.
N.
You're worthless and terrible. And if the company allowed it, I would straight up kill you myself.
Jay's awesome.
Therapy.
Hey, let me give you the tour. Outside of the corpse wall thingies, and here are the buttons. Beep, boop, 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 beep. Hey, they're back. Yo.
Idiot! Get out here! What happened here? Synergistic liability here must have tripped and knocked himself offline. Moron bot! Hello?
Oh. Oh. Oh! You know, I left an extremely dangerous weapon, excuse outside.
I think this is a good spot to sign off, hopefully. I hope this was entertaining and good to watch and stuff. I stopped there because I've been working on this for ages and I should probably catch up on some work I'm actually meant to be doing instead. So, well, bye-bye.